Have you ever checked your bank account a few days after payday and your balance already looks like it's been through a breakup? Like, you just got paid. You didn't buy anything big. No new phone, no travel, no luxury splurge, and yet somehow your money vanished. You scroll through your transactions like a detective. Dalawang daan apat na put na piso. Isang daan pi. Nothing looks expensive. But together, it's chaos. And you're sitting there thinking, "Saan ba napunta sweldo ko?" If that feels painfully familiar, yeah, that's literally most people. My name is Shiny Save, and I spend way too much time thinking about where people's salaries actually go and why most of us feel broke even when we're earning. If you're someone who gets paid, feels rich for 48 hours, then slowly watches your money disappear before the month even ends, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, here's the thing. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a money flow problem. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because your salary is quietly leaking in places you don't even notice. And today, we're breaking it all down, line by line, peso by peso, so you can finally see the truth, where your salary really goes. Section 1. The Big Lie About Being Broke. Let's challenge something early. A lot of people say, "I'm broke because my salary is too small." Sometimes that's true, but not always. Because here's what most people don't realize. Even people who earn more money still feel broke. In fact, lifestyle studies across Southeast Asia show that as income rises, spending rises almost at the same rate. People don't just earn more, they upgrade their lifestyle too. Bigger salary, bigger food budget, more subscriptions, more deserve koto moments. So the feeling of being broke, it stays. Different income, same stress. This is where it gets really interesting. Feeling broke is often less about how much you earn and more about how your money is structured. Section 2. Let's break down a real salary. Okay, let's make this real. Imagine someone earning 30,000 pesos per month. Not rich, not minimum wage, pretty common. Now watch where it goes. Fixed expenses, needs. Rent, 8,000 pesos. Utilities, 2,000 pesos. Internet, 1,500 pesos. Groceries, 5,000 pesos. Transport, 2,500 pesos. Total so far, 19,000 pesos. That's already 63% of the salary, and we haven't even talked about fun yet. Lifestyle expenses, wants. Eating out and coffee, 3,000 pesos. Subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, apps, 800 pesos. Online shopping, 2,500 pesos. Load and data, 500 pesos. That's another 6,800 pesos. Running total, 25,800 pesos. You now have 4,200 pesos left. Hidden/irregular expenses. Here's where most people get surprised. Birthdays/celebrations, 1,000 pesos. Random grab rides, 600 pesos. Sale purchases, 1,200 pesos. Unexpected fees, 500 pesos. Boom! Another 3,300 pesos gone. Remaining money? 900 pesos. For the entire month. And we haven't saved. We haven't invested. We haven't prepared for emergencies. 900 pesos is not freedom. That's financial anxiety. Section 3. Death by 1,000 small payments. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't spend that much. Here's the trap. Big expenses are obvious. Small expenses are sneaky. 120 pesos milk tea. 199 pesos delivery fee. 99 pesos in-app purchase. 250 pesos convenience store run. Individually, harmless. But psychologically, your brain treats small payments like they don't matter. This is called mental accounting. We categorize money differently depending on size and emotion, so small expenses feel safe, but they stack like crazy. 200 pesos per day times 30 days equals 6,000 pesos. That's already 20% of a 30,000 peso salary on things you barely remember buying. Section 4. The subscription trap. Can we talk about subscriptions? Because this is modern money leakage. 149 pesos streaming, 129 pesos music, 99 pesos cloud storage, 369 pesos premium apps, 200 pesos gaming pass. You don't feel it monthly, but combined, that's around 1,000 to 1,500 pesos every month, 18,000 pesos per year, for invisible services. Here's what most people don't realize. Subscriptions are designed to feel painless. Auto-renew, no friction, no decision-making. Money just disappears quietly. Section 5. Psychology. Why this keeps happening. Let me tell you a quick story. I knew someone. Let's call her Anna. Anna earned decent money. No debts, no big lujo. But every month, she felt stressed. Turns out, Anna never told her money where to go, so her money made decisions for her. Convenience, emotions, impulse. That's how most people spend. Not logically, emotionally. Because money decisions aren't math first, they're feeling first. Stress spending, reward spending, boredom spending, and social media makes it worse. Everyone looks like they're living their best life, traveling, shopping, upgrading, so you feel behind, and spending becomes emotional catching up. Section 6. The budget myth. Some people hate budgeting. They think budgeting is restrictive. But look, not budgeting is more restrictive, because if you don't control your money, you lose choices late. Section 7. A simple budget structure. Try this beginner breakdown. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. If you earn 30,000 pesos, needs 15,000 pesos, wants 9,000 pesos, savings 6,000 pesos. Non-negotiable. Savings isn't if my tira, it's first. This is where it gets really interesting. Even small savings grow big with time. Actionable steps. Okay, let's make this practical. Step 1. Track for 7 days. No judging, just observe. Step 2. Label each expense need, want, or impulse. Step 3. Find 3 money leaks: subscriptions, delivery, random shopping. Step 4. Set spending caps. Fun is allowed, unlimited isn't. Step 5. Pay future you first. Auto-transfer savings on payday. The surprising truth. Here's what most people don't realize. Money problems rarely come from one big mistake. They come from hundreds of tiny, unplanned decisions. Your salary isn't disappearing.